All right, we have another trade recap, right? I mean, that's all I do these days. I don't ever not take any trades, and that's just how it's been. Um, do I think that's that necessarily that bad? No, I mean, I have been, for the most part, I've been finding some good setups to take. But right, and I did take this trade. Whoa, what the? Where the fuck did this come from? All right, no. 420, dude. No, bro. What did Trump do to the markets? This is not. This is a CPI candle. I just saw this. This is Trump genuinely patched trading. Like, this shit got to reverse next month, bro. Next month has to make up for all this shit, bro. Because this is awful. But besides that, I mean, we pretty much had no news today. I'll start on the daily here. I mean, I'll kind of show what I was seeing. My hands are greasy. But basically, ES took out this daily low and NQ didn't. So, I mean, coming into the day, we had this bullish SMT. So this bullish SMT made me believe that this bearish for value gap on the daily would be the objective for the day, which it was, right? I mean, ES tapped it, NQ didn't. But this was the objective, which got hit because, yeah, I mean, ES tapped the daily. So the objective, that was the objective coming into market open. The first thing that I saw here is that it actually was equal highs on the hourly time frame, like relative equal highs here, which is another good sign that this is going to be a strong draw liquidity. And then, so basically coming into the day, I saw Asia lows, and we came down and we swept Asia lows, put in an SMT. It was looking pretty good to the upside, and this is like right off market open here. So, yeah. So we saw that. I scaled to the 1 minute because I'm very confident in my higher time frame drawn liquidity. But the thing is, I was actually in class. I had an alert set on my phone. I got it, and I ran to the bathroom. I got to the bathroom right here, around like right here. I saw ES was acting a little bit more bullish, just because of the SMT that we had put in with these Asia lows. It was just like, it was something like this. No, because we had an SMT and ES didn't take out the lows. So this is like the SMT that we had. Same, and I wasn't going to target the equal highs like the daily for value gap because it was just too high up. I didn't really want to go for that. It's kind of a little bit greedy. But what I saw is I was originally looking at NQ and I wanted to see just displacement. And, we have this bullish for value gap. Wanted to see it hold bullish. But we ran through it. We inversed it. So this kind of threw me off a little bit. I mean, yes, it's like early to market open, so you could just say that's just random. So, I mean, we inversed it, which is just already making me a little less confident. But I saw this 1 minute get created, this bearish 1 minute. I wanted to see if this can get ran through, because if it could, we're flipping back. We're going to be bullish again. So this candle failed to inverse it. We started to respect it. But ES actually inversed it at this time. And I don't really see it. I was looking at it and I was like, oh, yes, I actually did inverse it. But I'm like, I'm just going to wait for NQ to inverse it because I'm a little more confident in NQ. And if NQ can inverse it and ES, then that's just extra confidence. So just waited for NQ to inverse. But it inversed up here. And what I saw is that ES just decided to just like start ripping up. And I usually like to wait for a little bit of a rebalance after the inverse. So I wanted to wait for it to come back down, but it never did. ES just shot up. And this is just, I remember I was so close to taking this trade. I wanted to just wait for NQ. I was so close to taking this, right? Obviously, it played out very nicely. I just didn't take it because that's just the reality of trading. Like, if you don't really get everything that you want to see, you need to just be super confident. And I wasn't super confident in this. It was a good trade, but I wasn't super confident. And that sucks. This already gave me FOMO because I was just pissed off because I knew that this was going to happen. I mean, I didn't know, but I mean, this is what I was pretty much looking for. And I just missed the trade. I just didn't take it. I was just too hesitant. It was a little bit early. I mean, not that bad, but anyways, ES took out these highs. NQ didn't. We put in a bearish SMT, but I kind of just wanted to see NQ come to the highs because NQ is more dominant, and ES was actually yet to take out the daily objective, which was these highs. So ES was yet to take out the objective. So I still believed that we were going to continue on bullish until we got there. What I saw, all right, we come down a little bit. We put in this, we create this bearish 1 minute. Once we run through this is pretty much just a simple continuation model. This is the first trade I took. Stop loss was originally actually like literally right here. I entered actually lower. I entered like here. Then take profit was at this internal high for a 1-to-1. So as you can see, first entry, all right, we come up a little bit, and then this candle comes out of nowhere, just huge wick, like, and then the top step X like glitched out, and it just made me, it took me out of the trade when it didn't, like I didn't hit stop loss, but I won like $100, and I don't know how that happened. So from there, I'm out of the trade now, and I'm like, bro, I know this is gonna go higher. Like, this is still a good trade. What I see is that we actually just had a bullish, literally perfectly overlapped with the bearish that was getting wicked out and respected. So when I saw that, I re-entered because, I mean, why wouldn't I? I mean, there's literally no reason for me not to re-enter. This is the trade I took. It just, something glitched out here. So then from there, I mean, I put stops. Once I see this huge wick get put in, I'm pretty confident that we're not going to come back down here. So I originally put my stop, same area. We start displacing up. Once we like sweep this internal high, I just move my stops under this body. And then as you can see, it just it just came down, especially, and then whipped me out, and then ran a TP. Sucks. What can you do? This is just what's been happening to me, bro. If you guys saw my other video, like, it's happened to me. It just keeps happening, bro. I get whipped, and then it runs to my stop loss, and there's no reason. There's no reason for this candle. I mean, we have a clear objective here, and we're getting close, and we have a perfect continuation trade to it. Like, dude, I don't know this. So, right, we missed this first trade that I was really close to taking. I get extreme FOMO. I take this trade. It's not even a bad trade. I don't think it was amazing. I probably shouldn't have taken it because it's not amazing. I still take it, and then it glitches me out. I re-enter, I move my stops, and it wicks me out, runs to the equivalent. Wow, just wow. Like, I'm just pissed off, bro. What else? What happened after that? So once ES actually came up and took this objective, I wanted to see lower. We actually put in a bearish SMT, right? Because NQ was yet to take out these highs, but ES did. So we had a bearish SMT like this. So, what I noticed is that, did I take it? I took it on ES, I think. No, I took it on NQ, I think. Bro, I don't know. But anyways, I just noticed that we had, wait, I'm so confused now. Where did I take this? Oh, right. Oh, okay. Yeah, I took it right here. I think we had this bearish SMT 10:20. This is 10:22 a.m. So let's check. Yeah, we had an SMT. So this was the SMT that I saw. So swept this high. ES took out the daily objective, which was the daily bearish rally gap, and swept the equal highs. NQ didn't, right? Bearish SMT. So now I'm like, okay, this looks really good for shorts. I mean, the objective was hit, so I mean, nothing is going to be too high quality here. I see 1 minute inverse, right? And I enter off the inverse, stops above the body, take profit down at these lows. Right here. This is not even a bad trade. I mean, we had a change in state of delivery right here. These up close candles. We had, I think it was like a 3 minute inverse. We had a low resistance liquidity run here. Just a bunch of generated low resistance here that I thought was going to get ran through. It got 2 points away, I think. I don't know how to read points. That's the problem. I don't know if this is... I actually don't know how to read. how to tell how many points it was away, but it was like look how close it was, bro. And then just reversed, started chopping. I was like, shitty. I don't know how this happened to me. I don't know if I've been just getting so unbelievably unlucky, or I'm just taking really awful trades. Because this to me is like, it's not that bad of a trade. I mean, I don't think it's that bad of a trade, bro. Internal manipulation, daily fair value gap, equal highs taken, inverse DI, change in state, lower resistance, like 2 points away. I didn't even move my stops. I just kept it there and like, just don't understand, dude. I like whipped out and then ran and then edged and then stopped. How, like, this is the most, like, I've been having, I can't even say it because it's just so frustrating. But I'm pretty much at this point on tilt. I mean, I don't know who wouldn't be. Actually, no, I can't say that. I should not be on tilt. Profitable trader wouldn't go on tilt ever. I didn't necessarily go crazy on tilt, but I bought another eval because the other one was locked out. I bought another eval, and I just started trading it, just kind of in this chop. I remember I took a long, so there was I'll just get rid of this sad trade, right? But I'll get rid of that. So we came down and we swept this low. It was aligned with like a 15-minute bullish. I thought at this point, since we were getting there, I thought NQ was going to come take out the daily, the equal highs and everything, but I wasn't going to target that. I saw this manipulation into the 15-minute, this 1 minute invert right here. I take a long off the rebalance. Stop loss was right beneath this low, and my take profit was at this high. And this isn't even that bad of a trade. Again, not that bad. I mean, I shouldn't be trading at this point. I've already taken 2 trades. And like, it again edges me like 2 points, bro, and then reverses and stops me out. And at this point, I stop trading and I start scalping, and I'm just like I hope you guys understand that having multiple days with these like a normal loss to me is fine. I'm like, if it just chops and stops me out or whatever, like that's just a losing trade. I didn't have the correct draw liquidity or anything. Like I just didn't play it out right. But when it comes like this, when it literally gets like 2 points away, or like down here when it gets like literally a point or 2 away, and then reverses, it's like that doesn't need to happen. Like there's no real motive for this to happen. There wasn't even an S&T. Like there's just no real reason. It's just market, literally just so the market conditions have been awful. It's been struggling to reach these areas of liquidity, which is why I've noticed actually that using like fair value gaps on the bigger like 5 minute as targets is actually a little bit better. I'm definitely looking into that more, but yeah, like this is just crazy. Oh man, what can you do? This is that. I don't know. I know someone took along here. I just don't know why. But anyways, so yeah, that was the last real trade that I took. I was like, okay, finally I'm gonna take profit, and then it reverses again, and then I just scalp. And this is just all on my new. This is on the new eval that I bought. I have 2 evals that I'm copy trading 250Ks. This is just a scalp that I took a while ago. So this is the account. One of my 50K combines. It's just down around 100 on the entire eval, down 100, and then we have this one. It's up 750 on the account. I mean, I scalped. I didn't gamble. It wasn't actually 14. It was like probably like I think I took like 4 or 5 actual like scalps. I mean, they weren't like full scalps. It wasn't like crazy. They were just pretty bad trades. Because I was just pissed. I mean, I wasn't going crazy. I wasn't just like buy like, oh, inverse or like I buy. Like, I was waiting for still like some stuff to happen. I wasn't going that crazy, which is better than what I used to do. But wait, I took. I know this isn't legit. So yeah, I shouldn't have done that, but I was on tilt, and I feel like that's a reasonable like Like if you were in my position, and lot like if you guys have seen my videos, if you guys are going through what I'm going through, I mean, I feel like it's almost reasonable, but it's never actually. I can't tell myself that because it's never actually reasonable to just crash out and do that. If you're a profitable trader, you wouldn't do that. I do believe that I have it in me. I know I have it in me, which is why I say I'm profitable, because positive self-talk is also very important. I know I'm profitable. I know it's in me. So, why is it red? Is this like, I don't know. I don't know why it's red. Oh, the market's closed. That's why. Wait. I don't know, dude. Is it not gonna let me trade? Did I do something wrong? Alright, I don't know. It's never usually red. I don't think that matters, but whatever. So I'm just gonna copy trade these two evals, and then when I pass one of them, right, I'm just focusing on passing these with good habits. This is not a good representation. This other combine though is strictly good habits. So I mean, this is pretty much what represents my P&L. Like for the day. I mean, I did take some solid scalps, but nothing that I count. So, other than that, that's pretty much the day. Another rough day. I'll be back at it tomorrow. But you guys might witness this because I'm kind of scared that I'm not able to trade on this eval. I know this is buy, but I think it might just not let me trade because I think it's like after market hours or something. This isn't, guys, I'm not doing this. This one micro, I'll literally close it right away. I don't care, but I just want to see if this works. Yeah, okay. Outside of trading hours. Yeah, that's why it's red. All right, got it. So yeah, I mean, other than that, I appreciate you guys. Pretty rough day, like it always is, but gotta stay positive. So I'll see you guys in the next one.